the Great Tantra of Vajrasattva, equal to the end of the sky. Self-luminousness that is not wild. Then that Sattva Vajra addressed him with these words: You are the mirror of self-luminescent wisdom for all the Buddhas of the 3 times. You have dwelt in the heart essence of enlightenment since the primordial. You dwell in a state of uncontrived awareness. Lord, this is what I ask. The true nature of uncomplicated awareness has no separation between its core and its surroundings, but I beg you to explain the way that this is. The Tathagata Vajrasattva proclaimed these words: O Mahasattva, the Tantra equal to the end of the sky, the transmission of the mind of awareness that subsumes all things, the treasure of the uncontrived mind of awareness, this dominion that does not transfer or change is naturally obvious, without being generated in the mandala of a supreme awareness. This blazing light of clarity, this king of awareness, encompasses everything that is born and lives, outside us or inside us. And just as all things dwell in the state of the sky, the supreme empowerment of self-originating royal investiture is perfected in the treasure of awareness abiding in itself. The total empowerment into the clarity of wisdom is a treasure of wisdom that has no position and has no roots. It exists pervasively, as do sesame seeds. If someone does not have the awareness of royal investiture, no matter how or why they are consumed in searching, the things that they impart will not free us from the irons of samsara. Those who have faith and keep their samaya would be students who are endowed with these things, but they are not to be found even in 3,000 worlds. If one imparts the vase of royal investiture on those who are uncommitted, are short on spirit, have no faith, do not listen, are self-important, have no samaya, are greedy, have or do not have compassion, who broadcast the Upadesha and are deceivers, they will lose their haughty attitude about being the ones who have attained compassion, and without concern for their bodies or their minds, they will renounce the honors of the world and persevere toward the supreme heart essence of enlightenment. There may be many, but do not show it to more than 2, about whom you have ended your doubts, and you have examined with certainty, so that they will maintain it well, and it will not fail.